This video dives into strategies and tools successful bloggers use to streamline their workflow and scale their blogs to generate $50,000 or more annually. Learn foundational tips like choosing a profitable niche, creating a content calendar, and prioritizing SEO to drive consistent organic traffic. Craft compelling, high-quality posts that keep readers engaged and coming back for more. Monetization is essential. Diversify income through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products. Explore leveraging automation tools to save time, outsourcing tasks, and using analytics to identify what's working. Building relationships is crucial. Use email marketing and social media to foster a loyal community that supports your blog. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, this guide gives you actionable tips to achieve $50 success efficiently and effectively.